Good day, everyone. I'll be your tutor for today, taking you on Autocad. We'll be using Autocad 2018 for this tutorial for emphasis sake. Though the looks on 2018, 2017, 2016, and 2015 can also be used for this tutorial. So I'll just go ahead and launch my Autocad. So I did Autocad 2018. Get the software, maybe buy the disk somewhere, and install. After installation, we do the crack. Then this is the screen. So once you open Autocad, this is the first screen you come across. The start drawing. This is recent drawing that came along with the installation file. So this will show on this page. So also all these other ones, notification, sign in, and all that. So the first thing you have to do to start a drawing, you click on start drawing. But before then, I would like us to have an overview on Autocad itself. What can it do? Okay. This first tutorial cover what Autocad can do, and we'll now take a brief look on some of the tools like home, insert, annotate, all these panels here, all these tabs, they're all tabs, and these panels, we'll take a look at everything, a brief introduction of everything. So this will be the first one. So first of all, Autocad, what can I do with Autocad? What can I design with Autocad? What's Autocad? Okay, as we know, Autocad was a software developed by Autocad Autodesk, and the history spans back to 2000, 1982, thereabout. It's a software used for designing. Instead of you using your pen, your paper, and your pencil, getting these dirty works. So with Autocad, you can get a perfect clean works that can be printed on A4, A2, A0, different sizes of paper, and it comes out with you draw on Autocad faster than you do with the ancient way where we use our hand and pencil to draw on a paper probably. Okay, it's being used by several people: engineering, civil, mechanical, electrical. I mentioned them. Even in urban and regional planning, people that plan an environment, architects, they use the software also very well. With this, you can, once you have a design already, building a house, it makes work easier. Okay, I'll be going through some of the works that Autocad can do. I have a drawing here. Okay, for instance, this is the floor plan I was drawn for Mr. Frank. Okay, as you can see, it has this was drawn with Autocad. It gives, this particular drawing gives the details of everything. I can choose to turn off everything, so it's just the few details. Now if you look at the bedroom, you can look, this is the bedroom, this is the bathroom, and that. So this is the dressing room, this is the madam bedroom, and everything. So this was drawn with AutoCAD. Now with this drawing, you can take this particular drawing, go to your site, you size your block and everything. With this drawing, you could come up with the same building, with this same design, everything with same specification. Not just drawing the plan, you can also design the roof plan, how you want the roof to be, how do you want the roof to slant, where you want the water to flow through. Like look at the water flow through here, You can design it, give it any color. This alphabet are the blocks. There's a block here, there's a block here, there's a block here. Yeah, so this is the roof plan. You can also give the elevation. Okay, this is how I want the finishing to look like. So I want the finishing to look like. As you can see, these two pillars, these were all designed with AutoCAD. This was brought in. You learn how to bring in trees and cars at the end. This is the left view of the house, left elevation from the side of the house, left side. Okay, this is the right side. When you look at the building from the right side, look at the roof plan and everything. Then, of course, you write your name and everything, the location where the drawing is for. So if you look at this also, this is the front view. Everything we are drawn is AutoCAD. It just with time you get to this. This is done with hatch. Oh, there's a mistake here. This isn't aligned properly. This isn't aligned properly because this part is supposed to cover. This isn't aligned properly. Okay, I'll make a correction to that. Okay, as you can see, this is the front views. This is work of AutoCAD. Then also this too. This is the rear, the back of the house. Alright, there's a drawing I did also. I saved it with, it's about 24 pages. This is a complete drawing, both from the foundation, the building, the elevation, and everything. I'll just scroll through. Okay, this is like the site survey of the place, the two building, their parking lot, and even the septic tank, where the septic tank will be positioned. You know, this building, this drawing is heavy, so it will take time. The access roads, sockaway, where to be positioned, and all that. So going through the course, you get to learn more about this. This is the design. It's looking complex, but it isn't complex. If you know, if you go through this, you know that, yeah. It's been drawn. This is the bedroom detail. Okay, this is the front elevation for this. Front elevation of the proposed building. This is the back. So with AutoCAD, at the end of this course, you're supposed to be able to draw this. And okay, this is for the foundation section of the house, the pillars, the walls holding the house together. This window schedule, then the door schedule with that specification. That's one thing in AutoCAD. You draw with dimensions, with that specification that even a layman self reading this will say, okay, this is the size of door that will fit to this particular place. And also, this also covers plumbing work. You can use your plumbing work, how you want your sockaway, your washing basin, your dirt in the house, how you want it to be channeled. So you channel it here. There's supposed to be some small tanks at this point, some point before it gets to septic tank. I'll make changes to that. Okay, that's that one. Then also there's another design here. Okay, this is the door schedule. I've shown you this. Okay, this it's another aspect of AutoCAD. You know, aside the normal drawing with lines and everything, you could give fields. It's called gradients. AutoCAD gradient, where you just give a single color, but this has to do with your knowledge of mixing colors. Like this one, the color is properly mixed. You see, it's looking very beautiful. This is just normal elevation. This is normal drawing with hatch and lines, drawing with pillars and all that. So there's so many designs you do, like this one's too. This is a picture, something. So this is still this civil. This is normal architectural, and that is that. Okay, let me open an electrical work. Let's see. Of mechanical covers the plumbing. Architectural start from the foundation, from the plan to the elevation and everything. So we can also draw electrical on it. So let me just this electrical. Most of the raw file are kind of missing. Okay, this electrical is still here. Okay, the drawing shows you how your electrical circuit will run and all that. If you look closely, you see each light and the switch is being controlled by. Sorry, the drawing is heavy. So like this room, for instance, if you look closely here, this light, this is the switch. It controls this 3-wall bracket. Then this fan, this regulator, it controls it. So it just shows you so many things. As you can see, this is a lighting plan. With this, you can just know, okay, this is how my lighting will go and all. So this socket, how you want your socket to be. This is the DB, the position of the distribution board, and that's that for that. This is a legend. In case you don't, you were like, what is this? What is that? This shows you that this symbol is security light. This one is your fan, and that. And with time, you get to draw title block to make your work more presentable. So it's also with AutoCAD, you can also even go to your distribution board and do the design and know the rating of the amperes of what you use. This electrical part, you can even get your load schedule on it, do your calculation, you balance the red, yellow, blue phase. This tutorial is strictly Nigeria color code, that's why it's red, yellow, blue phase. Okay, this is AutoCAD electrical. The plumbing is majorly mechanical, though with time we'll get more plumbing drawing. I didn't have more plumbing drawing, which is mechanical. Then the other, this one's civil, architectural, and architectural. Okay, architectural. So that's it. Okay, Now I've got to see what Autocad can do. It can do more than this. These are just few drawings I just show. I can't be popping out all the drawings now because of time. So we'll just take a quick overview of everything. When you start your work, when you open your Autocad screen, first of all you click to start drawing. So once the screen is open, a black screen, the drawing is named drawing. Your Autocad file are mostly saved drawing.dwg, which is drawing. This dwg is like abbreviation for drawing. So you see several panels. Okay, these are called tabs. All these ones here are tabs. Home, insert, annotate, all of them are called tabs. Then under the tabs you see several sections. This is the panel. Under draw panel you have several other small tools inside. Line, polyline. Under modify panel, so you have several tools inside. Under annotate you have tools like that. We'll talk about all of them as we proceed. This section is the status bar. The status bar. What do you want? Do you want auto to be on? Auto for straight lines, polyline and everything. Then this is command. When you're giving a command, Autocad works with command. If you give a command like you want to draw a line, then enter, to pop out the command for drawing line. It's pop out the command, specify next line. System is having a glitch. So the line, for instance, it's pop out the command for. So you don't need to come to the line to click line. You can just type it in the command bar. This is the command bar, and most times it shows you what step to do. Specify the first point, you specify the first point. They'll ask you to do the next point, you do the next point. They ask you, do you want to undo, do you want to do. So this command bar helps to hover around. Then if you see this is the last point, the command bar says, do you want to close? If I click close, it automatically close it. This command bar, this part is the navigation. And also this is the Autocad basic screen. This black area is the area for drawing for your work. So by the next video we'll still talk more on this, and we'll talk about setting the screen. We'll talk about using the mouse function, and with that, after that, we'll get to draw with our lines and others. Then with time we'll start going into deep projects until achieve drawings like this. At the end of this course we'll be able to draw something like this, more than this, because it's based on your creativity. More than this, based on your creativity. So you're expected to know how to draw something like this at the end of the course, and even more, because AutoCAD is based on your creativity. Something like this too. This is work of one of my students. So the raw file, I lost the raw file. It's not me, but this is one of my students' work. I showed him how to mix some colors, and he mixed his own colors this way. I'm proud of it. You can bring cars, you can bring human beings, I know. So with this is just an introduction to it. So later on we'll get to do more things. Okay, that'll be all for this. To the next section of the class. Thank you.